Today I will inform you about the PlayStation app and its functions. The app can be found in your preferred app store and is a free download. After installing, the startup page features What's New, which is a general hub that consists of recent accomplishments such as trophies and milestones that have occurred between you, your friends, and the people you follow. It's much like a Facebook for people that have a PlayStation. Also like Facebook, it provides advertisements and suggestions to people you should follow. The Friends page is straightforward, as it provides you with suggestions of people you may know, and more importantly, who is online and what they are playing. By clicking on a friend, you can view more info about them, as in who they follow, and you can also compare trophies. The Notifications tab is the tab where you can see if your friends have invited you to a game or a chat party. This tab, in my opinion, doesn't serve that great of a function, as the information is useless unless you are home and already playing, and I find it extremely annoying that it does send these notifications to your phone. The PlayStation button in the center of the page contains the meat and potatoes of the application, as it contains the most important features. It allows you to redeem codes for downloadable content, gift cards, and PlayStation Plus vouchers. It also allows you to jump into messaging, which is much easier to do on the phone with a keyboard versus the archaic typing with a controller. Probably the most important feature is access to the PlayStation Store, where you can purchase games, themes, and avatars, which can be set to download on your PS4 remotely from your phone. Hopefully I have given you a detailed and thorough description of features on an otherwise underutilized app. Thank you.